Hi, I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what kind of a hydrotherapy experience you're going to expect if you buy a swim spa. You know what? A lot of people ask, from a perspective of hydrotherapy, is a swim spa capable of offering different massage, aspects? Does it give you a great massage while you're sitting in there? The answer is yes, absolutely 100%. So with the Hydropool self-cleaning swim spa, what we do is we design our swim spas based on four main principles. They're all based on zone therapy, and the simple way to think about it is the seat has to be super comfortable. It has to be ergonomically designed. The jets have to be recessed. You want to make sure that it's a comfortable seat to sit in. Every one of our swim spas have comfortable seats with multi-levels to sit in. The second aspect of a massage is the type of jet that goes into the seat. You want to make sure that the type of jet helps, to alleviate any of the massage issues that you may have. So if you want a direct massage, we have jets that can do that. If you want foot jets, we have jets that can do that. Calf jets, we have jets that can do that. Again, it's the type of jet that's super important. Then, of course, the placement. Instead of putting 100, jets inside of a seat, all with, less pressure, what we do is we believe in a high flow, low pressure. And that means that basically we're placing the jets specifically in areas to help, achieve your massage goals. And then finally, we've consulted with physiotherapists and athletic therapists from around the world on how much time should you be sitting in each seat to achieve that massage. So those four things combined will create a fantastic massage in any one of our swim spas. One of the other things that people ask me about all the time is temperature inside the swim spa. How quickly can you change the temperature from a swimming temperature of 85 degrees average to a hot tub temperature of 100 degrees? Generally I say that it's approximately 3 degrees per hour that it will take to change the temperature. So based on where you're at, you can figure it out based on that. Does it change quickly, rapidly? No, it doesn't. You're gonna have to wait some time for it to happen. I personally use my swim spa all winter long, more in a hot tub temperature, and I maintain that temperature at 100 degrees all year long. So can you change the temperature? Absolutely. Does it rapidly? No, you're looking at about 3 degrees per hour. To summarize this video, we went over basically one thing, was does a swim spa provide a good hydrotherapy experience? The answer is yes. We went over the four things that make up a great massage. One would be the comfortability of the seat, two would be the type of jet, three would be the placement of jet, and four would be the amount of time that you're spending in that seat to achieve your massage goals. Also we went over, can we change temperatures rapidly, and how does that work? Hopefully I answered all your questions in this. Thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.